Good morning, students. Let's continue with our revision. Today you have grammar revision. Okay, let's start. Write the topic name grammar revision. Question 1. Add correct suffix. हमें क्या ऐड करना है? करेक्ट सफिक्स ऐड करना है. Either full or less. या तो full ऐड करना है या फिर less ऐड करना है. To the words and complete the sentences below. Where are the words given? Here in the bracket you can see. Words are given. We have to add correct suffix. Full and less according to the sentence. Now listen here. Number 1. Please be care while handling the glass vase. तो हमें क्या होना चाहिए? ग्लास वास हैंडल करते टाइम पे ग्लास का कोई भी चीज़ हो उसको हैंडल करने के लिए केयरफुल और केयरलेस. केयरफुल. So what we will add? FUL full. Right? Please be careful. CAREFUL. Careful while handling the glass vase. Understood, student, how to do? Now come to number 2. My aunt is a wonder painter. What should come? Wonderful or wonderless? What should be the correct suffix here? Wonderful. मेरी आंट कैसी बहुत वंडरफुल है. So write WONDER. 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 FULL full. Single L. Full. FUL full. Wonderful. Number 3. The beggar lives on the street. He is home. What should come? Homeful or homeless? Beggar बाहर स्ट्रीट पे रहता है वो कैसा है? होमलेस है. उसको घर है क्या? नहीं. होमलेस. So the correct answer is HOME. Home. LESS less. Homeless. The beggar lives on the street. He is homeless. Number 4. She continues to make this world a better and hope place. So it should be hopeful or hopeless. How it should be? World is better. तो कैसे आना चाहिए? Hopeful आना चाहिए. She continues to make this world a better and hopeful. HOPE. Hope. FUL. Hopeful place. Now tell me what should come. Number 5. For some years, Jackie was a single parent. How she was single and jobful or jobless? She was jobless. So write JOBLESS. Jobless. For some years, Jackie was a single jobless parent. Understood, student, how to use suffix full and less for completing these sentences? Now come to the next side. What you have? Circle the subject and underline the predicate in each sentence. You have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. Number 1. She lived there with her parents and younger sister. So what is the subject? Subject talks about the person or about particular thing about whom we are talking. है कि नहीं? यहाँ पर किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Who is the subject? She. She is the subject. Circle it. She is subject. And underline the predicate. Predicate is the thing which describes about subject. Predicate क्या चीज़ होती है जो subject के बारे में describe करता है. So, lived there with her parents and younger sister. What is this called? Predicate. So, underline lived there with her parents and younger sister. This is called predicate. This is our subject and this is our predicate. Understood? Now come to number 2. She fell asleep immediately. What is the subject over here? She. Very good. She is subject. Fell asleep immediately. ये क्या है? Predicate. Understood? Number 3. The black dog barked at the stranger. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? ब्लैक डॉग के बारे में. द ब्लैक डॉग. व्हाट इज इट? सब्जेक्ट. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स. ये क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है. barked at the stranger. This is the predicate. Predicate. Now come to number 4. The children ate happily. What is the subject? About whom we are talking? The children. The children is our subject. It is our subject. Ate happily. ये subject के बारे में और ज़्यादा बता रहा है, describe कर रहा है subject को. This is called predicate. Understood? Number 5. The Asian elephant is found in many countries. About whom we are talking? What is the subject here? The Asian elephant. What is the subject? The Asian elephant is found in many countries. What is it? Predicate. Understood, students, how to differentiate between subject and predicate? In this way, you have to complete in your question paper also. Now come to question number 3. Read the sentence and write the correct verb in the blank. You have to write the correct verb, is or are. The verb is being decided on what? हम verb किस पे decide करते हैं? हमारे subject पे. If our subject is single, verb will also single. If our subject is plural, verb will also in plural form. Now see here, elephants is or are ginormous animals. What should be the correct verb here? Elephants. What is the subject? Elephants subject है. Now is there only one elephant or elephants? Elephants है बहुत सारे. It is plural. What is the plural verb here? Are. A-R-E, are. Understood how to select the correct verb? Now come to question number 2. Samir and his friends. ये हमारा क्या है? Subject है. Subject कैसा है? Samir और उसके friends. It is in plural form. What should come? Is or are? Are. A-R-E, are. Samir and his friends are playing cricket. Understood? Samir and his friends are playing cricket. Number 3. Abhi is or are riding a bicycle. Now how many Abhis are there? Only one. Only one. Singular subject. So what is the verb? Singular verb. Is. Abhi is riding a bicycle. Number 4. The two brothers was or were. यहाँ पे क्या है अभी? Was and were fighting last night. Was we use for singular and were we use for plural. So how is the subject? The two brothers. Is it singular or plural? Plural. What should come? Was या were? Were. Very good. W-E-R-E. Were. Understood, students? In this way, you have to pay proper attention on the subject and complete your paper. So write this grammar revision in your CW book and you must watch this video. Bye bye and all the best.